Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to offer free gifts with purchase on Shopify, so you can do that easily. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what we need to do is gonna be heading over to products. There you can see we have gift cards, so you can simply incorporate gift cards with products, add gift card product. So you can see of course the purchase are gonna be on products. So once you head over to that, you can see we have gift cards with products heading over there, and right after that you can see you can create our gift card. So we can choose a title, description, add media, and denominations. Once we do that, you can see we are going to be having gifts with purchases on Shopify, or if you want to incorporate different kind of gifts, you can use integrations as well for different type of gifts. Search in here for gifts and you will get a lot of apps for that. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.